So this video is going to show you how to set up a distillation kit. So I've just got a distillation kit here, and I've set up the clamps on my retort stand so they're roughly at the same height, and I've put a little twist on this one. That's because the reflux or the distillation column should always be kept at a slight angle. So the first piece I normally put in is that. Then this is going to be the collection tube, and just put a little plastic ring round to hold everything in place so that the glassware can't actually fall, and so there's less chance of breakages. There's a sort of Y-shaped device. So that goes into the reflux column, and finally I'll have the actual distillation flask. So you'll put whatever solution you want to distill into here, and you'll probably have to add anti-bumping granules. So I'll just start to tighten it. You may have to wiggle it slightly just so you can get what's being clamped by the two retort stands to match up and put on that clip. And final one I'm going to put in, there's a tube that essentially is a lid with a hollow center, and I'll put that in there, and then I can put my thermometer just so I can check the actual temperature that the distillate starts to collect. Next part is to set up the water. So in the distillation sort of column, you always want the coldest water at the end that's furthest from your flask. So make sure you put these on nice and tight, or once you turn on the tap they will shoot off and you get a free bath. So I'm going to put on that end that's furthest from the flask, connect it to the tap, and then I'm going to put this other end, again nice and tight, and just put it in the sink. So at this point you're ready to start the distillation if you had some good distillate in there, and you just use a Bunsen burner to heat it. You may need a water bath, you may need an oil bath, and make sure you have a vessel of some sort to collect your product. And then when you're ready, just switch on the tap, and the water flows in at this bottom end and out at the top end. So I would now be happy to start the distillation.